Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's meteorologist Maggye McAuley.
Hey, happy Friday out there to you. High temperatures today look to be reaching back into the middle 90s for a lot of us. 94 in Bruce, 94 in Houston, 94 in Tupelo. Low to middle 90s expected yet again today. Also, yet again expected some afternoon storms that could be impacting some high school football games. Our high school game of the week presented by Casey Lot going to be South Pontotoc and Okolona. And yes, we could see a few showers impacting that game as well. Temperature is going to be in the upper 80s by the time you're really getting things together for those games, into the 70s by halftime, even sticking in the 70s by the time you're headed home. Let's talk about your latest hour-by-hour forecast. Rain is looking to cross over the Mississippi River as we head into that noon hour, but a lot of us dry until noon. Going into the afternoon, very different story. We're looking at spotty ongoing downpours across the board from 4 o'clock, yes, you guessed it, all the way into your 7 o'clock hour when those game times start to occur. Yes, seeing showers and storms sticking around. This is at 7 o'clock across North Mississippi, expecting to still see a few ongoing downpours. Could be impacting those Friday night football games because they're likely to be heavy at times and also contain some lightning that could lead to some delays. The only good news I have is watch this as we 7, 8, 9 o'clock, those do begin to dissipate. We begin to turn drier. So if you wait it out, halftime and on looks like a really better forecast out there for you. Going into your Saturday, things really look to clear out and remain mainly dry. Could track out a few maybe isolated light showers out there into your afternoon hours, but for the majority, sticking very dry out there and warm for your Saturday. As for your weekend ahead, middle 90s for Saturday, low 90s for Sunday. Slight rain chance out there for both days, but this weekend's looking mainly dry. However, take a look at our next work week. If you're looking for more widespread rain, yeah, you're going to get it. Tuesday, Wednesday, looking like our main days for more widespread rain that comes back into the picture. Well-needed rainfall as well across North Mississippi. Because look at this, our latest drought monitor, we're still seeing that extended severe drought creeping closer into northeast Mississippi. They even placed some extreme drought in places to our north, like the Missouri Boot Hill. So rain needed across the board here in the south, in the southeastern United States. Let's talk about Tropical Storm Gabrielle before I let you go. The good news this morning is this is looking to take a hard turn to the right. The storm is, so that's some good news Monday into Tuesday, not looking to impact our friends on the coast. So it is looking to reach hurricane status, but as it does, again, making its way right back out to the Atlantic. So that's some good news for you on your Friday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Middle 90s today and tomorrow. We go back into the low 90s Sunday into Monday, and then rain chances do return next week. So we kind of trade off the heat for the rain. Temperatures eventually getting back into the 80s next week. Make sure to stick with us. We have our latest newscast this morning at 7 and 7:30 and also 5, 6, and 10 this evening.
At Room to Room, did you know our specialty is custom ordered upholstery? Get the furniture you want and the fabric and color selection you want. With our free design service, we won't let you make a mistake.
Whether it's our stories, the warmth of our laugh, or our family's secret sauce, we all bring something different to the table. So make some space. The power of connection is waiting right outside your comfort zone. Learn how you can help strengthen your community at belongingbeginswithus.org/teamup.
1 in 10 kids vape. Each vape pod can contain the same amount of nicotine as a pack of cigarettes.
The Health Class Film Guy isn't the best person to talk to your kid about vaping.
Got a few minutes?
You are. Talk to your child about vaping today.